A Korean court has ordered the seizure of assets in the country owed to the Japanese company Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. This is to compensate the Koreans Japan subjected to forced labor during World War II, in line with a previous court ruling. But Japan is saying the order is a violation of international law. Yoon Jung-min reports.
Regarding a recent decision by a local court ordering the seizure of Japanese firm Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Korea-based assets, Seoul's foreign ministry said they are currently monitoring the situation. This comes after the Japanese government protested against the ruling on Thursday, calling it a violation of international law and reiterating that the liquidation of Japanese companies' assets in Korea will result in serious consequences. A Korean court recently ordered the seizure of assets that Japan's Mitsubishi Heavy Industries holds in Korea, following a South Korean Supreme Court ruling in 2018 that ordered the company to compensate Korean victims of wartime forced labor. The Anyang branch of the Suwon District Court recently ruled in favor of the family members of the victims, ordering the seizure of roughly $725,000 from LSM Tron, a Korean firm that owes the money to Mitsubishi. The families requested the seizure earlier this month as Mitsubishi continues to refuse to pay compensation. The amount consists of around $290,000 of compensation, with the rest coming from other costs, including a penalty for not paying on time. The Japanese company has been ignoring the 2018 order to compensate the victims, insisting the compensation issue has been completely resolved following a Seoul-Tokyo bilateral treaty in 1965. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.